While walking towards the Empire State Building, you stop and find the angle to the top of the spire is 25 degrees. You walk a half mile more and discover the angle is now 75 degrees. Calculate the height to the top of the spire. So, you're walking towards the Empire State Building. You look up. So it's 25 degrees when you look up to the top. We're trying to find the height here. You walk half a mile. So we'll say this is half a mile. You walk, and now when you look up, it's a 75-degree angle. We don't know how far away we still are. We can call that x. And we need to make up two equations now that use these two triangles. So when we use the 25-degree angle, we have the opposite side for the height and the adjacent side, which is the entire length down here along the bottom. So opposite and adjacent, that's tangent. 25 degrees equals the opposite side, h, over the entire length here, which is x plus 0.5. Then with the 75-degree angle, it's still opposite and adjacent, so that's another tangent. Opposite, h, over adjacent, x. And we need to solve this equation for, really we're just looking for h. So since this would be a calculator question, the easiest thing to do is going to be type it into our equation solver. But before we can do that, we need to get lined up so it's in standard form, like ax plus by equals c. So multiply by x plus 0.5 times tangent. Equals h. And for the second equation, multiply by x. That also equals h. Trying to get them in standard form, so we want h and x both on the same side because those are our two variables. And then we want the constant term on the other side, on the right side. So tangent 25x minus h equals negative 0.5 tangent 25. Move the constant over, make it negative. And then for the bottom equation, it's going to be equal to 0. Tangent 75x minus h. So our coefficient of x is tangent 25. And when we go into our solver equation, option 8 on this model of a Casio, simultaneous, two unknowns. We have x and h. We need to type in all of our coefficients. So the coefficient of x in the top equation is tangent 25. Type that right in there. 25, it's degrees, so make sure you put it as degrees. It changes it out to the decimal without you having to do it on the other side, on the other screen. The coefficient of h is -1, and then -0.5 tan 25. And again, make sure you do degrees. And then type in our bottom equation, tan 75 minus 1. Equals 0. And then solve it. We get x and y. Just remember that it was x and h. So h is 0.266. And that was miles. So it's a little bit over 1/4 of a mile.